What if I told you these 5 easy portrait drawing tips could instantly make your faces look more realistic and confident by the end of this video? If you ever draw a portrait that felt off but couldn't explain why, it's usually because you're missing a few simple fundamentals most artists skip. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what to focus on so you can stop guessing and start seeing real improvement. Miss these tips and you'll keep repeating the same mistakes without knowing what's holding your portraits back. Tip number 1. Analyze each portrait. Instead of just drawing and moving on, take the time to analyze and give yourself feedback on every portrait, artwork, or drawing you make. This habit improves your drawing proportions and accuracy. This technique is super simple. Scan in your photo that you are drawing from, draw an outline over the top of this photograph and overlay it on your drawing. You can also do this with tracing paper. Remember to note down your observations in your sketchbook, enhancing your drawing and learning from each experience. Like any skill, it's about practicing, getting feedback, and then analyzing. Tip number 2. Use imaginary lines. So when drawing, employ imaginary lines horizontally and vertically to understand how elements relate to one another. You can see in this example of me drawing this still life of apples. I'm measuring each apple against each other and using my drawing medium, which is a pencil, to line up the height and the width of each apple. This is crucial within anything you're drawing, whether it's figures, still lifes, portraits. Always measure between the objects within your scene and use your drawing medium to help you do that. If you want more help with this technique, check out the video in the top right corner. Ask questions throughout a drawing, like how the ear aligns with the nose or the eye's angle on the face. Use imaginary lines in your head or use a straight object, like a pen or pencil, to analyze. If you're using a physical object, like a pen, remember to keep your arm steady, locked in place, and straight. Tip number 3 is study masters. Create master studies in your sketchbook or any paper that comes to hand. Much like gaining insights from a great self-help book, master studies provide a fresh perspective and elevate your art. Choose artists like Monet, Rembrandt, or Sargent to study aspects such as color, composition, or drawing skill, or in this video's case, portrait drawing. Remember, don't just copy, study the artwork, focus on a theme, and replicate the style onto another drawing that you create. This exercise helps you absorb the essence without becoming a mere copycat. Tip number 4 is be growth-minded. Let's talk about a real game changer here, acting a little stupid. So I don't mean losing your smarts, it's about shredding that ego that might be holding your drawing skills back. Adopt a growth mindset, recognizing that your artistic abilities are not fixed. Why act stupid? So it's not about intellect, it's about fearlessness. Step outside your comfort zone, try new techniques, and make mistakes. Every great artist embraced a bit of foolishness on their path to mastery. So embrace the unknown, experiment with different styles, and remember, investing time and effort in learning is an investment in your evolution of your art. Tip number 5 is basic forms and 3D. Break every portrait drawing into basic forms, structure, add a 3 dimension. Think spheres, cylinders, and cubes for basic forms. Visualize these shapes, head as a sphere, nose as a cylinder. This establishes the overall structure before diving into details. Pay attention to proportions, breaking down the face into sections for balance. So don't just draw lines, think about the face in 3 dimensions. Shadows and highlights play a crucial role transforming your drawing from flat to lifelike. So basic forms for foundation, structure of a balanced 3D dimension for realism. Break it down and build it back up. And if you enjoyed this video, I recommend you check out this video coming up. Thanks guys, and see you on the next video.